Use fruit when you mean it in general, and fruits when you mean different kinds. Number one, I eat blank every morning. Hmm, are we talking about kinds? Nope, just general. So the answer is fruit. I eat fruit every morning. Nice and simple. Number two, the shop sells many different blank. Here we are talking about many kinds. Apples, bananas, grapes. So the answer is fruits. If it's about variety, go with the S. Okay. Number three, she likes fresh blank. Is it about kinds? No, just fresh fruit in general, so the answer is fruit. Number four, in summer we enjoy tropical blank. Summer is full of mangoes, coconuts, pineapples, many types, so the answer is fruits. Tropical vibes. Number five, too much sweet blank is not healthy. This is about sugar inside fruit in general, so the answer is fruit. Too much sugar, too much sweet fruit is not healthy. Don't worry, I'm not your doctor, okay? Number six, Thailand has many tropical blank. Yep, many different kinds again, so the answer is fruits. Thailand is like fruit paradise. Number seven, my doctor says eat more blank. The doctor means fruit in general, not listing kinds, so the answer is fruit. Doctors are always right, right? Number eight, in the basket there are many kinds of here kinds, so the answer should be fruits, right? In the basket there are many kinds of fruits. Like a little fruit party in a basket. The last question, monkeys love blank. Are we talking kinds? No, just fruit in general again. So the answer is fruit. Especially bananas. But hey, bananas don't own the fruit kingdom, right? Again, use fruit in general and fruits for different kinds. Remember this. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard making these lessons for you. So please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I'll see you next time. Bye.